Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster, a high-performance alternative to traditional canned air. If you're looking for a powerful, reusable, and eco-friendly cleaning solution, this might be just what you need. Let's check it out. This air duster is built with an impressive 300,000 RPM motor, generating 200 G wind pressure and a peak wind speed of 120 meters per second. That's enough power to blast away dust from keyboards, laptops, and other sensitive electronics with ease. Plus, it features a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery with USB Type-C charging, ensuring long-term use without the need for disposable air cans. What makes this device stand out is its versatility. It's more than just a keyboard cleaner. It also works as a mini leaf blower, car detailing tool, snowblower, and even an air pump for inflatables. Whether you're cleaning camera gear, car seats, or home appliances, this duster has you covered. Another great feature is the new sliding mode design. Unlike standard models with preset speeds, this one allows precise airflow control using both button and sliding modes. Its compact size and lightweight build, just 1.35 inches thick and 5.9 inches long, make it ultra-portable. If you're ready to switch to a powerful and reusable air duster, the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster is a great choice. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. See you next time.